What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can change your name on Upwork. So let's get started. Now first off, once you open up Upwork, you will be on your homepage right here. Now from your homepage, go over to your profile and select account settings right here. On the account settings, the first tab that will load is your info tab. So here you have your account and your company details. To change your name, you need to click on this pen icon right here under your account tab. Then you would need to confirm your password. Now right after you confirm your password, your account information will load. So here you have your first name and your last name. Now I made this account a long time ago, so I didn't use my real name and last name. So in the first name tab, just type in your real first name, and in the last tab, your real last name. Now make sure that you don't use initials, so make sure that your full name and last name are as they are on your documents. Because if you try to use your initials, once you send the name change request, they won't actually approve it. Now, once you inputted your first and last name, all you need to click is just save right here. Now, after you click save, nothing will actually change until they approve it on the back end. Now, I tried this, but I used my initials, and this is the email that you will get if you try to use your initials. So you can read up on this if you want. So to sum it up, all you need to do is just put your real first name and last name right here and just click save. Now after a few days, once they review the request, they will change it from their side. And that's guys how you can change your name on Upwork.